Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how to convert a big size file to a smaller size using an ice cream media converter. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell for more videos. So to start with, I'll be using this video as a sample. Let's take a look with the size of this file. As you can see, it has 790 megabytes. And by the way, the video sample, I exported this from Wondershare Filmora. I already downloaded mine. I provided a link on the description box down below for you guys. Just click and download it there. Ice Cream Media Converter is free to download and it is very easy to use. Let's open our Ice Cream Media Converter. As you can see, there is an add sign here. It says add file to start converting. So just simply click the add sign to start converting. Click the document sign here on the upper right to simply select a file you want to convert. And now select convert to video since we just want to convert the size of our file. Number 3, convert by. Select format and then choose MP4. Next, click best for the quality of the video. And now the last part, click convert. Let's wait for the file to finish converting. Usually, it takes more than 20 minutes to finish converting if the file is big. It's already finished. Let's see the properties of the file and check the quality of the video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, suggestion, just leave a message in the comment section down below. Bye!